Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. This weekend I'm going to Coachella weekend 2. I'm so excited. And Ginger is here for moral support. I'm gonna go to my friend Brianna's house right now. We're gonna get all the girls and then we are gonna go to the desert. But yeah, if you guys wanna see how we do Coachella, then just keep watching. Okay guys, we got in a little bit ago. I want to show you guys the house. Okay, so down here are like bedrooms and there's a bathroom. Then there's another bedroom down there. Then here is the dining room. And then just like a little outside patio. And then, yeah. And then a little bar, a living room, kitchen, then another table. And then here's the outside. It is so beautiful. And oh my gosh, guys, it's so beautiful out here. Here's Bree. Here's the view. It is so beautiful. Guys, come on. That's amazing. Oh, is that a golf cart? I wonder if we have one. Yeah, look how amazing this is. Ooh. This looks so yummy. I think I'm gonna wear this today. A little crop top. This is my first look. I'm obsessed. I think it's so cute and super, super comfy. This top is from Urban Outfitters, and then my pants are from IMGA. As of my jewelry, this one is from Vanessa Mooney. My boyfriend got it for me. And then this little necklace is from Forever 21. I'm so excited. That's insane though. Yeah, but yeah. Okay, we're all on our way! Alright, this is Isabella and this Brianna. I haven't said sorry. Gotta stay hydrated. It's so hot here. We just go like this? Yeah. Already have a wrist going. Coachella, we have arrived and it is so hot.
Hello everybody, you guys ready for day one?
We're in the VIP area. This is so much more like relaxed. Definitely more my scene. Yeah, thank you. They full on have sugarfish at Coachella. This is so sick. Is it good? So good. We took all these photos today. This one's my favorite. There's a ton of people here right now. We're just chilling. You know, a lot of people never. Yep. I hope I don't get lost.
Right here, right now, for Beachy Coachella.
We just saw Kyle and he was amazing. He was like legit crowd surfing. It was really awesome. But now we're just gonna chill out and wait until Daniel sees us. Hey Blake, look, it matches your shirt. Popsicle squad. We just took all these group photos and a bunch of them. Twins that rave together, stay together. We're just chilling in the Rose Garden and we were gonna go see Daniel Caesar, but we missed the whole time, so we got watermelon popsicles instead. We are just gonna go see the Weeknd in a little and yeah, we're just gonna chill until then. It's all about the fila.
See my soul me. Then I feel this love for you. Don't you love me? I got her in skinny pieces and she doing it with the beats, but I love my baby. See the shape, set, switch on my side, I think you be late. I switch on my club, I can let it get. Always get the best of me, the worst is yet to come.
We're at the famous Ferris wheel. We're going on one of these bikes and I'm so excited. All of our feet hurt so bad, so we're on one of these bike things. And because we're very lazy. Wow, we are so tired. It took forever to get home.
What time did we leave the weekend concert?
We literally left at like 10 and now it is 1. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I will see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, day 2 of Coachella. I kind of went all out with my hair and everything. Say hi, guys.
Pizza. Hey.
Oh, there's pizza there?
Yes, they just got some.
Oh, I'm going to get pizza. Wait, okay, let me show you guys my outfit really quick and then I'm gonna go get pizza. This set is from Reformation and I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing. And then I have my Coachella wrist. I'm scared these things are gonna fall out of my hair. Oh, one's already leaving. It's inside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, you look so cute.
Thank you. But yeah, so basically to fill you guys in, 2 other girls came in. I'm gonna introduce you guys to them and we're just gonna go to Coachella in a little bit. I think like around 5ish, and we're just gonna chill until then because the people we want to see don't play until then. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some pizza now because I'm really hungry. Where's the pizza? Oh, found it. Duh. Oh, this looks so, oh, there's wings. Brianna made a channel. It'll be linked down below.
Thank you.
We're putting glitter on.
Okay, put this one first. Put this
Oh,
one.
I'm nervous. I don't know why.
You're nervous?
Yeah, it's not even me. Well, you look like a mermaid. Oh my gosh. They have to clean up all the glitter. Say hey. Oh, this lighting. We're about to take some photos right now before we leave for the festival. Oh, she's going on a float.
I'm about to see her fall.
If you fall, that would be really funny. All the photos that we take will be right here. Name a better duo. We'll wait.
I'm gonna crop it so it's like it looks like you're just. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. So Coachella-y. So since we got lost, or I got lost yesterday, we got walkie-talkies. Show them your glitter.
Hi vlog. This is my glitter. This is now a part of me. It's never coming off.
I know, I don't have any glitter.
In front of it, like how do I not get any on?
The difference. Okay guys, we have this huge van that takes us there.
Are you taking
Hi.
pictures of yourself or what?
No, we're vlogging.
Oh, you are?
Yeah, you wanna say hi?
Hi.
CBS and then we're
You know how I like it when you near me. Hello? Please don't get me lost. We're getting sweet fin right now. Best pokey ever. Yeah, so, oh, it says you're a catch. That's kind of cute. Let's see, who are we seeing? Lily the child? Hello? Yes, yes, yes. Was amazing. We are getting lobster rolls right now. It's kind of random.
Yes, that's right.
Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna do a taste test. I don't know how I'm gonna eat this. These are so good. Actually, this is pretty good. Beyonce, we're coming for you. amazing, guys. Coachella. Okay. Day 3 of Coachella. I'm really sad. Today I did like a pink eye, and let me show you guys my outfit. This set is from Revolve, and I'm obsessed with it. And then I'm gonna wear this denim jacket. It's amazing. I'm gonna be so hot, but it's so worth it. It has it on the back, and then it has it on the sleeves too. It's really, really dope. And it's from Denim by Orly. This is my sister's brand, and she has her website up, so you guys should totally go check it out. We're not gonna go to actual Coachella for at least like 2 more hours, so we're just chilling and taking pictures for now. And yeah, right in. Come in. Okay. I think we got it.
Ready? Wait, let me put your hair behind
Oh,
you.
I was so ready for it.
Ready? Gotta need a lot. We're at Coachella.
That's so refreshing.
Isn't it
getting really good.
Doesn't it?
Oh.
You know the hang.
Just a little touch up. This lip gloss that I'm using is from Beauty Counter, and it's in the shade Buff. I stole it from Bailey.
Look at this cute fern we just snapped.
We're waiting for our driver.
5 minutes ago. He's been out an hour.
These are spicy. Guys, we're on our way. It's our last day. We got Pokeballs again. Isabella's first time getting Pokey.
This is not my first time getting pokey.
At Coachella.
At Coachella, yeah.
It's actually so hot, guys. Is it like 100 degrees? At least.
Mine is yours. I want you to live your life, of course. Down in the reds in the wrong jacket.
We just saw Cardi, and she was amazing. She left 30 minutes early though. We don't know why. But right now we're getting lemonade, and then we're probably gonna hit the road and head home. They're so refreshing. It's been real, Coachella. We are out. It's been real. I don't know when I started saying that, but I guess I do now. If you guys enjoyed this vlog and if you guys want to see more, I have posted a ton of pictures on my Instagram and all that stuff, so make sure to follow that. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just end the vlog off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. I would blow a kiss, but my hand is unlimited. Bye.